Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday and I hope you're all having a great week. Well, today we are going to be working on Harvest in the Fall that I got from FGNormal, and we'll be working right up in here, and I believe we're working in the grapes there, because it's a little hard to tell. There's a lot of colors and different things in there. So this is the color, and it's 3835. And I got my owl out today. I thought, why not? Let me pull you down so you can see what is going on. Oh my goodness gracious. What a day. Well, I don't know that it's going to get any warmer. Yesterday was not too terribly busy at work. The guys finally got done, I think, not yesterday, the day before they got done with all that stuff. So we had kind of a normal, or normal-ish day. Everything was nice and opened. Whoops. Trying to move it there. So that helped, but it really wasn't terribly busy with a whole bunch of people coming through, so it was just fine. Sorry about that. I'm a little bit close there. Yesterday I worked on a little bit on Watertown Memory. Not a whole bunch of stitching going on. Just ready for the work week to be done, you know? Some weeks are like that. Sorry about that. I had to sneeze. So, came home and fixed myself a little bit of dinner and went to bed. Just couldn't take any more for the week, so hopefully it'll be better the rest of this week. I think it's supposed to rain somewhere over the weekend, maybe. So we'll have to wait and see. You know, it says that, but half the time, nothing happens, so I'm not real concerned. It was in maybe the mid-70s yesterday, so it was absolutely a gorgeous day. I mean, there were white clouds, but nothing too fancy. Got to run some errands today, but other than that, not a whole bunch. So maybe I'll just stay home and stitch. I think my daughter's into painting this week, so don't think she will be available. But that's okay. Whoops. Put it in the wrong way. Forgot which way I was supposed to be stitching here. To look towards the top. Hope this starts some of the grapes, because I've got one color in, but they're not looking too much like grapes lately. So, but I do love this. I love all the colors in it. It's just a fabulous stitch. And of course they put a mustard color right next to a lemon yellow color. So we'll work around that. Hopefully I won't stitch everything in this color, because that might not look too good. Whoops, just lost my needle minder. Oh well, it'll be fine. It's not like it's going very far. Should have opened it up, the cross stitch itself, but I left it folded here, so we'll get it. I can really see that mustard color that I'm supposed to be working on pretty good here in the light, so yay, we'll just keep going. I have no idea what color that lemon, we'll call it lemon yellow, is supposed to be. Might be a red or or it might be a shade of purple, since like I said, we're supposed to be working here in the grapes. Maybe I'll stitch some more on this today and try to get some more colors into these. Okay, this has just gotta quit. Hold please. It's just smaller than I expected. There we go. Let's go that way. Oh goodness, all this cool weather here just kind of makes me want to be sleepy, if you will. Just doesn't make you want to go out and do too much. I have no idea what I'll be cooking this weekend. We'll just kind of play it by ear. It's not cold enough or chilly yet. Pull that this way since I had to. Seriously, you are just gonna mess with me today, right? Well, we'll just clip your butt, right? That'll work. That way I don't have to hang on so hard. It's still kind of newish and stiff in other parts. It's not horribly stiff, but it's still got that. I haven't stitched in that place yet, area, so it's not helping, but it'll be fine. So what is everybody else up to? What are y'all stitching on? Please comment below. I love to hear what everybody's stitching on. And if you got any plans for this weekend, leave me a comment. Is it beginning to act like fall where you're at, or is it still hot weather? I realize we're a little bit closer to the sun, if you will. A little bit higher up, so fall changes. Don't know that it does that, you know, like in the Midwest or the East or West Coast. Sorry, East or West Coast. It does those kind of things. Or does it just not change? Okay, where was I? Oh, seriously? Holy cow, kids. I don't know where to start. There's a big area that's down there. Oh my goodness gracious. Give me a second. Okay, it fell off the needle minder a minute ago, so it must have gotten all mashed together wrong. It didn't want to stitch. I don't think we have any events here in town this weekend that I know of. I don't know how long. They have a farmer's market on Saturdays, I believe. And I'm not sure how long that goes through, you know, the season, or until everybody runs out of stuff to bring to the farmer's market. I don't know how that goes, because sometimes I'm not in town on the weekend, so I don't know if that's still happening. Come on, kids. Now I'm anxious to see what the next colors are. Oh, we'll just do it backwards. It'll be fine. There we go. Yeah, not a whole lot goes on in winter here. Of course, we have Christmas parade. I don't know if we have a Thanksgiving parade or anything beyond that. Or sometimes, I don't know, it seems like we have like a thing called Festival of Lights. We don't, when I lived in or around Breckenridge, which is a ski resort, they would have a Festival of Lights, and they would come down the ski slopes with, we'll call them torches, for lack of, it wasn't a flame, but some kind of light affair, and coming down the thing and do a little, I'll call it routine. Yeah. But that was as close to a Festival of Lights. I haven't been to the Christmas parade. We'd go see Santa Claus, but that was totally something else. That was two separate, like, events. So we don't have to do that anymore, thank goodness. We about froze to death 2 years in a row, so my daughter and I were quite over that, and seeming that my granddaughter had developed a unliking to Santa Claus. I think the last time my daughter took her, she ended up screaming, running out of that place. She didn't like him at all. So we were just kind of done with that. Yeah. My daughter was just beside herself. It was like, I don't understand. I don't get it. What the heck? So yeah, that was last year for that. And of course my grandson, he's way past all that. So, fun times. All right, let's see. Oh, come on, please. I did throw that one needle that was bad, but that was on the 11 count. I finally threw it away because I used it twice and it still did the same thing. I have no idea what was wrong with that stupid thing, but it's gone. It no longer resides on my pin cushion over here, so that I won't get it again. It had a rough spot or something on it. It was just unbelievable. I don't know. I'd get very few of those. I've had the eye of the needle broken, and then I couldn't figure out why it wouldn't pull through the thread, so I found that out, but that's only happened a couple of times. So in all the kits that I have, that's a pretty good track record. Where are we at? Of course, I just save up my, what do you call them? Needle threaders. Got about 2 dozen of them. And they usually don't go bad. They get lost before they go bad. I haven't had any bad ones of those yet. It's nice that the companies send those in those kits, you know, for people that don't know, but can't see the eye of the needle. It's so much easier. And I've even almost learned how to use them with the 14 counts, if you be really careful, because you really don't want to break that eye of the needle. It'll cause more problems than you know. Because in the beginning, I couldn't get it without breaking the eye of the needle, so it is what it is. But I found out if I go real slow, I can get it threaded. Because sometimes I do have problems getting just 2 strands through the 14 count needles. Alright guys, let me undo that. Let's move her. Whoop, where are you? Put that up there. Let me fold that since we haven't. And pull that down. Isn't that pretty? I just love the oranges with the blues and the teals. Just gorgeous. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. God bless. Keep stitching.